Welcome to Subconsciously Taken, fool.
Hello, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope y'all family's doing as well. I finally did it. I finally got my hip replacement, and so far it's been painful. I can't say that, and I hope it helps me. I mean, I hope I'll be able to move around and stuff. I may not be able to jump and run and stuff, but hopefully it's better than the way it was before because I was really hurting. Uh, when the doctors took the x-ray, they say the bones were already rubbing and it was getting flat on one side. So, and then on the same place where I got the hip replacement at is the same place where when I was 8 years old, they put 3 pins in there to hold my hip together, believe it or not. But anyway, I got out of the hospital, I guess 2 days ago, and I just thought I'd make a video. I haven't put up any videos up because it's been painful. And like I say, you know, you need to make sure what you're gonna do, you know, it's the right decision. Was it the right decision for me? I don't know. I gotta see how it works out, you know, and hopefully it works out for me. I mean, I gotta exercise. I take painkillers, but I only take them maybe 2 or 3 times a day. It says every 4 hours, but I try to endure the pain, and that way, you know, I won't be going into the pain medicine. But anyway, it's painful, especially trying to sleep. You gotta lift up your knee, your foot up with your knee up. It kind of helps the pain a little bit. But then you lay it down flat out. It hurts. For a little while it's okay, but then it hurts. Then you gotta be up and down with your knee. And then getting out of the bed when you gotta go to the bathroom. Man, my wife, I don't see how she gets any rest. I wake her up, and I gotta turn straight on the bed and hang my feet down and slowly come down and then go to the bathroom. And she helps me get back in bed, and I can't move my hip, which is kind of hard, but you gotta turn and lay flat. And that's what I've been doing, but it is painful. I'm starting to notice that the pain is going away a little bit. I mean, you can feel the difference. I haven't tried to walk on it. I got a walker that I'm using right now to walk back and forth, you know, and then I got to do my exercises and stuff, which I do. Maybe not as much as I should, but I do them. And the thing is that, man, I didn't know what to expect. I mean, people can tell you one thing on how it feels, but everybody's different. Everybody's going to either endure the pain or can't deal with it. I'm enduring it as much as I can. I mean, that's one thing I can say. Like I say, the painkillers, I only take them if I have to. I don't take them just to take them, you know, and it helps for a little bit, not much, but it helps. So every little help that I get, it's okay. But anyway, I just thought I'd shoot this video up and just to say, hey, I got my hip replacement. It's not a piece of cake. My uncle said it was going to be a piece of cake. But anyway, I'll get through it. It's no big deal. I'll get through it. Hopefully I'll walk. Man, I'm hoping that I can ride my bike. If I can do that, that'll be fine. I'll be able to do exercises like that. But then again, I don't know how it's going to be with the bumps and stuff. But like they say, you just got to take it one day at a time. See how you do, and just go from there. You know. But I just thought I'd shoot this little video out just to, you know, say, hey, I'm still here. I just haven't been making videos because I've been dealing with this and some other deals that I got going. But anyway, I'll be making videos again, and you know, it's just, I'll be making more of the World of Warship videos too. I was trying to make one the other day, but the dog messed up the video. I have a dog. He had to go, and right in the middle of the video, he picked a good time. But that's the way it works. That's the way life is. The unexpected's always going to be there. You know, think about it. You know, you can't get angry about it. I mean, it might get you angry, but you need to think too, you know, things happen. There's nothing you can do about it. Just deal with it and move on. Don't hold on to it. Don't focus in it. Just move on. And that's what I did. I cut the video off, took the dog out. This was before my hip replacement. Took the dog out, bring the dog back in, and I didn't even want to deal with the video. But now after the hip replacement, my wife's been taking care of the dogs. She works, so during the day, all I can do is open the door where the dog can go out, do his deal, and come back in. But anyway, like I said, I had the hip replacement done. It's painful. Anytime you're going to do any kind of surgery, try to do some research on it and see how it works out for you. Yeah, you know, only you know how your body is, if it can endure pain or not. I've endured pain all my life. I mean, this little process going right now that I'm going through with my hip replacement, I'll get through it. It's just dealing with it second after second, minute after minute, and an hour after hour. It does hurt. But anyway, I'm doing good. I will be making more videos. And like I always say, we all create our own hell by the choices we make in life. I hope y'all family's doing good. And God loves you. Peace out.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. It's all up to you. Bye-bye and God bless.